Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the accent of the AI chatbot on the AI Chatbot Open Chat AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on this accent button above the chat icon, and here you can find female and male categories. Both categories include 12 accents. Here you can find their name. You can listen to them by tapping on the speaker icon on the right side of each of the accents. After selecting, click on the apply button, thereby updating the accent of your voice assistant. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.